Say it again.
Soup by Layla.
Okay.
We have a pot. We have onions. We have carrots. We have the lid. We have cups. Sip, sip, sip. We like soup. Now you have to sign it.
Read it again. Start with the title.
Soup by Layla Hart. I did Hart.